This is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and I'm bringing you another planner spread. I'm super excited about this planner spread, and it's pink, it's girly, it's bold with the pink and black, and I just love it. This is the spread for May 11th through the 17th. And I'm still using the teacher layout in the Big Happy Planner with the subjects down the side and the dates across the top. And this was just such a fun spread to do with the pinks and the stripes here and the black, bold, and in your face, and the pretty blooms. Not much decorating, but definitely vibrant and just ready for the summer and to enjoy life again. Just exciting. I chose to bloom because in every facet of my life, I want to grow and blossom and bloom and just be the best and live my best life to the fullest. So I'm super excited about that. And then I tried to put another one over here to balance it out. But as you see, this is just a lot of functionality and a lot of space to put the things in. Love what I love what you do. Be happy. I always say be happy. Even my screensaver on my phone says be happy. The weekends, again, Fridays and Mondays are my days, and things that I need to plan and do for those days, I leave it for myself. Again, I work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, and the weekends are not based on anything particular here. It's just what's left over I have to do. Any weekend projects, I'm going to put it there. More to do next week. Looks like I got a lot of stuff to do for next week. Never stop, dream it, and do it. I mean, I can't stress that enough. If you have a vision that God has given you, immediately write it down and put it into action, because it's not going to go anywhere sitting on that paper. You gotta put it into action. You gotta dream it, visualize it, dream it, visualize it, write it down, put it into action. That's the only way it's gonna take have momentum to come to fruition. So you gotta dream it, you gotta do it. And again, never stop. Keep going, keep going. If you have to put something on the back burner, don't stop. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. Never, never, never stop. Never, never, never quit. This one says, fortune favors the bold. So you gotta be bold with your dreams. You know, dream big. Who's to say it won't come to fruition? Only you can stop that. Nobody else can stop that. Only you. You're the person in the driver's seat. Only you can go where you want to go and how much gas you got in your car. So you got to keep putting gas in that car to keep moving forward. So anyway, I am done with my soapbox. Again, it's Homework Inspired Designs with Jay, WhimsiDaisi, and Press A, which is my hair care line. If you guys want to see the hair care line and me talk about the hair care line, that's great. I still have my clients that I'm working with the magazine. Because of all this, we haven't been able to do photo shoots for the magazine. We haven't been able to get interviews for the magazine as as we would like because people are quarantined, and just it's just been slow moving with the magazine. We were hoping that we would have it April. We're hoping to have it maybe sometime this month, but if not, now that things are opening up here in Missouri, we opened up on the 4th, and the county that I live in will not open up until the 15th. So then after that, we can start really moving about as we need to. So I'm super excited about this spread. Again, it was simple and functional, but very bold, as you can see here, and in your face, and I love it. So that concludes this video. Please subscribe, give me a like, share the videos, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. As I always say, it is my goal to inspire you to design your life with style. And you guys have a great and wonderful day. See you in the next video.